If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What's going on, guys? Apple World here, and we are 1 week away from the Apple October keynote. Boy, am I excited. But anyways, Ming Chi Quo today has reported some really interesting things that you guys probably saw on the thumbnail and the title of this video. An iPad mini 5? Alright guys, so as mentioned on my last videos, Ming Chi Quo has reported that we will get 2 new iPad Pros with 2 different sizes that will have USB-C with better displays, edge-to-edge display, no home button, no headphone jack. It's gonna be a really good iPad, and it's probably one of the most exciting products of the year. We will also be getting a new redesigned Apple Pencil with a similar pairing like the AirPods. You know, we won't really have to connect them. We will see, of course. But Ming Chi Quo says that we will be able to connect them same as the AirPods. We will simply put them close to the iPad Pro, and they will simply connect. We might get a new color. Anyways, Apple Pencil 2. Another thing that I'm really excited about. We will also be getting 3 new Macs, a new iMac, a MacBook Air, and a Mac Mini with spec upgrades and maybe a new design. I mean, definitely the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini definitely needs a new design. But anyways, Ming Chi Quo today has reported that there will be a new iPad mini 5. But he actually suggests, he thinks that it might not be coming in this keynote. He actually thinks that the iPad mini 5 will actually come on the next spring keynote, which is really far away. So it's kind of risky what he's actually doing right now. I mean, Ming Chi Quo is an analyst that so many people trust because, you know, he's right every single time, which is crazy. I mean, this guy is really smart, and his analyst predictions are always really correct. I mean, I think he's been mistaken like a couple times, but like 80% of the times, the things that he says are correct. So him saying that an iPad mini 5 is coming next year is really risky to say. He says that the iPad mini 5 hasn't been actually updated since the iPad mini 4, of course, and it doesn't have a really fast processor. It's got the A8 processor, so it could be bumped up to the A10. It doesn't have a True Tone display. It lacks Apple Pencil support, so it could be really looking like the iPad 9.7 inch that Apple has released this year. A really good, affordable iPad for students. It doesn't have the best specs. It doesn't have the best camera, but who cares? Because of course it's a great iPad and really affordable for students, and you know, it has Apple Pencil support. So I mean, that iPad Apple has done really well. So I don't really know the market right now for the iPad mini. I mean, we've got huge iPhones. We've got the iPhone XS Max, which is huge. So I don't really see a huge market for an iPad mini in 2018. But I mean, it's still an iPad, and I love the iPad mini, and I know a lot of people love it. But in 2018, the market won't actually be that big. Ming Chi Quo has also talked about the launch date on AirPower in its report. He believes that AirPower will be released on late 2018, on the last quarter of 2018, that being November or December. He doesn't believe AirPower will actually be released on the October keynote, which is actually a thing that I said on my video. I mean, I didn't even mention it on everything that you need to know on the October keynote video. I didn't even mention it because I really don't think Apple is ready still to release AirPower. And I mean, Apple still has to release AirPods 2 if they release the AirPower. So we'll have to wait and see. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for everything that Ming Chi Quo has reported in his report. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys think he's right? Do you guys think he's wrong? Let me know. When do you guys think AirPower will actually be released? On November, December, or next year? Let me know. I'm curious to see your opinion. I really think that AirPower will be released this year. If not, I'm going to be really mad. I mean, if Apple actually releases AirPower on November, they're going to be launching AirPower on my birthday month. So I guess AirPower is going to be one of my birthday presents. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys actually want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, such as this one. I love this one, long sleeve. It's got the retro computer. Make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Apple World family once again. We do daily Apple videos over here. We cover all the latest news, leaks, rumors, best apps, reviews, and all that good stuff that you guys love if you're an Apple fanboy. So if you're an Apple fanboy, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, as I was saying. Where is it? Where's the pillow? Where's the famous pillow? By the way, this is all appleworldclothing.com activity rings, Apple World family pillow, the waveform pillow. So yeah, now for real, do all this stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Wow.